Well, he got a camera. He got a camera.
They got a camera.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
I think
look at the kitchen light decided to come back on now.
I think it does a great job with the lighting. Just like you don't even just need necessarily.
Y'all look over here. I know this is my mess right here. Shoes. Because we have like a no shoe thing in our house. So obviously I have an issue with just taking my shoes off and never collecting them. I bought this thing to help me out from Amazon. Let me turn the light on. I bought this thing from Amazon to help me out. I have this suit over here. This is Larrial's suit in this bag for our engagement dinner. And you know, oh, the reason why it's bagged up, I lost my thought when I was talking. But the reason why it's bagged up is because he swears that his suit is not a certain color. I don't know when we're gonna get this video out, so I'm not gonna say the color of his suit, but he swears that it's not another color, pink, but it really is. So I'm taking it to Greenville so my sister and my mama can look at it and determine if it's pink or not. Larrial, what color would you say your suit is?
Red.
He said his suit is red. Y'all will see photos of our engagement dinner, and y'all will be the judge.
More like maroonish.
Be sure to follow us on our social media handles. On Instagram, I am Alexis Nallen. That's ALEXISNALLEN. It will be in the description box below. What are you, Larrial?
You gotta follow. Let me get like a good. Are you talking to me? Follow me at Larrial Tyler, LARRIAL Tyler. Larrial Tyler on Instagram, on Facebook, on Snapchat, and whatever else new social media outlet it may be. Follow me.
So, Larrial's about to, him and his best friend, I call Zane his Kyla. Shout out to you, Kyla. But his Kyla is about to come here, and they're about to come here and make noise. And
play the guitar, it's not making noise.
Yeah, y'all see that guitar over there? I don't know if y'all have ever really just seen our apartment before, but yeah, this is our like living space. As you see, we have no curtains per Larrial Tyler.
I like the sun.
He likes the sun, but you can let this man know that curtains can open and close.
They're gonna be like on the side of the building. I can clearly
Here's
see
our
famous.
We definitely need better lighting.
Famous shotless CQ.
That's our photo in here.
Yeah.
But anyway, so this is our little kitchen dining area. It's real sad, I know, but it gets the job done. This mirror is actually supposed to be on the wall. This mirror is so heavy, y'all. It's supposed to be on the wall. One day my parents are going to truly come and put it on the wall. When we moved into this apartment, I thought that this mirror was so perfect, and then I got it and I was like, ugh, it blends in too much with the wall. So I want to put other stuff around it. I've been saying that for so long. We've been in this apartment now for over a year, and here is still our kitchen area. But y'all, when you're living with a male as opinionated and very assertive with his opinion, it's hard to get stuff done. I'm gonna just keep it real. Look at him, the man of the hour that I'm talking about.
Yeah, you are what you're ranked to, so I'm all right.
So yeah, this is the area that I have to get clean. Shout out to you, Ashley, because you said you're coming here Friday and you're gonna help me.
Are you sure you gonna show me your Valentine's Day paintings you got?
Oh yeah, that's my curtain over here. Guess what, y'all? This room behind this door right there, that's where the magic happens for the makeup videos. I'm going to show y'all the disaster that it is, because I'm gonna keep it all the way real with y'all. Show y'all the disaster that it is, and then once we get it cleaned up and we're gonna put a dresser in that room and get curtains put up and revamp the whole filming setup, I'm gonna show y'all the finish. It won't be in this video, but I'm gonna show y'all the before. This is my Valentine's Day gift from Larrial. One of two. This one is really for him, y'all. He tried to throw both of them in there. Like this was for me, but this is for him. This is like the cultured version of the great Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. I like it a lot. I hope that no one finds it offensive that he is cultured, but I just think it's just like so.
It represents us.
Yeah, I think it's very modern, 2021. You know, this is our good Rosa Parks right here. This one was truly my gift right here. You know, I'm feeling the blonde and everything. I think I'm gonna start wearing wigs, y'all. I think I'm gonna start wearing wigs.
No.
Because what's wrong with wigs?
It's not natural. You look good with your natural hair.
But I want my hair blonde.
I do not like it. Weed.
Y'all jump on him in the comments. For my people who love their hair that they bought and it's still theirs, jump on him in the
I can
comments.
speak for the men. A true man would say, yeah, he liked his woman natural hair. Now, if he didn't, it'd be a problem.
So fake men like wigs?
Fake.
Oh,
synthetic,
wow.
Whatever you want to
Y'all, I deal with this controversy. So this is why I don't pick the camera up, because he say so much controversial garbage.
Every male like natural thing.
I should be embarrassed. I wonder how bad are y'all gonna talk about me. I wonder. Kinda am second guessing showing y'all this room. But I'm gonna show it to y'all in bits and pieces. So you don't get to see the full effect. But just know, Friday, because I'm ordering hangers, I have to get more organized. The problem was that we didn't have enough like storage and stuff. So I'm ordering hangers. My hangers will be in Tuesday, and this room is gonna get organized. This room, I don't know how I got like this. Larrial doesn't help me, y'all. So, all right, here we go. On this side of the room is where I'm active. This is the treadmill. I try to get on the treadmill 5 days a week. Unfortunately, this week I was only active 4 days a week, but my goal, I have been active 5 days a week since February 1st. Here's our little paper calendar that we have per Larrial. This is mine over here to the left. Here's to the right. Here's his noise making buddy.
Yo, what up?
Zane, you mind being on camera?
No.
Oh, wow. He getting like serious. This man brought in a speaker. Wow. So you got like an electric guitar?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. Excuse all the shoes. Larrial got to do better with all his shoes he leave out here.
That part.
I'm getting organized.
Y'all filming right now? I guess so. I'm be on YouTube?
Yep.
What up, y'all?
We'll put your social media handles in the description box. This is Zane, aka Zanuel. So
Zane LaVille. But just our first thumbnail, bro.
Alright. Back to our mess. Okay, so treadmill over here. I thought that this was very inspirational having this photo right here. Let me turn the ring light on since I'm in here. Have Dr. King right here talking about integrity. Have vacuum cleaner. Real keeps his shoes in here. Yeah. So, alright. Here is my closet, y'all, that I just don't have enough space, and then I get in a rush and then I get new stuff. So I still got some stuff in bags, packages. This is terrible, but it's gonna get a lot better. This is what I think is unfair. Look at this Christmas wreath that's up here. I shouldn't have to consume my personal closet space with this. But yeah, this is my closet. I'm gonna do better. Here is more stuff. So some of the hangers have already come in, but the certain hangers have not. So it's really just not that terrible. Just a few clothes just all over the place, y'all. This is my step ladder that is not being used for what it's supposed to be. Target. I'm pretty sure Larrial did that stuff whenever he cleans up after me. His idea of putting my stuff away is just putting it in this room. And here is actually where I film. I have the ring light facing that way, but that's my monitor. When y'all see me looking sideways and stuff, I'm either looking in this mirror or that monitor. This is terrible. Like, it really, really is bad. I'm not, y'all, just be patient. Just be patient. Don't judge me. I'm just being completely raw and vulnerable. When we were working remotely, this was partially my office, and none of this makeup stuff was on this table. I had my work computers set up right here, printers, stuff like this. This is our box of Christmas tree, a few Christmas decorations that I'm kind of gonna probably take to my parents' house and put in their attic. I have a huge problem of when I travel places, I do not ever unpack the bags, and so I have 2 more suitcases, one from when I went to Houston and another from my engagement that I have not unpacked, y'all. I'm telling y'all my issues because maybe if I say it out loud, y'all will hold me accountable. But let me show y'all something that I got organized though. So this is the bathroom that I tend to get ready in, and when I'm not filming, this is the bathroom that I do my makeup in, aka when clothes have to line dry, this is where we line dry our clothes. Don't judge us, y'all, but look at this little nifty thing right here. This is where I keep all my go-to makeup products. Do you see that? Like, everything is in here. I really love this. So this kind of was a tour of our house. I didn't really intend for it. I was really just playing with this to test out this new microphone. Expensive microphone that we bought. $300 microphone that we bought. But I'm gonna feel a little bit better. But God has been good to us. That's all I can say. Cause I just said feel that hurt, even though I haven't really felt that hurt. Cause God has been really good to us and blesses us financially, even when your girl mismanages her funds, aka overspend, aka retail addiction, you know.